Hello, we're going to do the last question on the test, the trapezoid question, which is either question 8 on Form B or question 7 on Form A. So let's take a look. The question says that the trapezoid is called rays, R-A-Y-S. So we always go around the shape, clockwise or counterclockwise. And we know, so maybe pause the video and write down these notes. Base angles of isosceles triangles are equal. We also know, so this is the part maybe some people missed. We also know that if they're an isosceles triangle, the other angle is supplementary. So we notice that, for instance, if that's 60 degrees, that's going to be 120 degrees because these two need to add up to 180. So, base angles are equal in isosceles triangles and trapezoids, and either the base angle is either skinny or fat, and the other angle has to be supplementary because in a trapezoid, these are parallel. So these are same side supplementary angles. Let's take a look at how we'd set these up. We know base angles are equal, so necklace, necklace. So we get 15x plus 8 is equal to 13x plus 14. And let's go ahead and get x by himself on one side. So 14 minus 8 would be 6. So I quickly solve for x is 3, but that doesn't really solve my problem. I need to plug it back in because this is a geometry problem, not an algebra, not just an algebra problem. So my base angles should both be, if I plug this back in, it doesn't matter which one I plug it into. Let's pick this one, 15x plus 8. If I've solved the mystery of the x, this is 15 times 3 plus 8. That would be 45 plus 8. Or I'd get, for my base angles, 13, carry the 1, 53. So if my base angles are 53, so that merely means an isosceles triangle, that's 53, that's 53. You know these other angles are obtuse and that they're supplementary. So this is angle A, and they asked us to solve for angle A. So we know that 53 plus angle A has to add up to 180 because we know that same side supplementary. These are parallel. So subtract 53 on both sides. I get angle A is equal to 127 degrees. There's my answer. Angle A is 127. I solved for x. Now let's take a look. Let's just practice with another problem that's almost just alike. Base angles again are equal because sides are equal. Mark, mark, necklace, necklace. Now let's set that up. 17x plus 5 is equal to 12x plus 15. And let's get x by himself on one side. So we end up getting 5x is equal to 10. When I divide both sides by 5, I get x equal 2. And once again, either expression will help me solve for the base angle, and then I'm going to plug it back in because I know that these two angles have to be supplementary. So my base angle is equal to either expression. So I'm going to pick this one. I think I like this one a little bit better. 12x plus 5, 15. When I plug this back in, I get 12 times 2 plus 15 makes 24 plus 15. So that would be 939. So I'm going to redraw my trapezoid here, knowing these are parallel. My base angles are 39 degrees, and I know they've asked me to solve for angle A, and that's going to be an obtuse angle. So angle A, these two would add up to 180, so angle A would be 39, plus angle A would add up to 180 because same side supplementary. So by subtracting 39 on both sides, I solve for angle A. 141. Let me just double check my work here. Yep, that's exactly what I got. So angle A is 141. When X is 2, that should definitely make you ready for any of the trapezoid questions on the retest. Thanks for joining us.